Hey, what's up, guys? So we're gonna do a cold start on my new to me 2021 CRF 250R that I just picked up. It's got a full YOSHIMURA exhaust with dual pipes. Let me show it to you. So here's the bike itself. There's the exhaust. You come around over here. You got that dual beautiful exhaust coming out the back. Alright. Now this thing has electric start, which is really cool. Let's see if it fires up. I might have to use a... see if I can hold it like this. So that's it for that. Sounds great. You know, it's funny, I'm so dumb. I thought this was a split exhaust, but I thought like this was one exhaust and then it split like I had on my other 250. You know, it's dual, true dual. Thanks for watching. As always, God bless.